All right, let me try the same pattern. It's the same process, guys, with a small change. So I want to display this reverse, guys. Okay, this one reverse inverting. Inverting means what's inverting? I think this is inverting, right? Okay, this one, guys, opposite, right? And okay, let us try one program. One program. One. Let me check once, guys. One, two, one, 1, 2, 3 over. This one over and. Okay, so all of observe. Now what we do means, let us try another one. Okay, so the same one, guys. Let's go a different way. The same way, no? Different way means first one, then two one, then 3, 2, 1, then 4, 3, 2, 1, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let us try that one, guys. Let us try. So first one, then 2, 1, then 3, 2, 1, then 4, 3, 2, 1, and 5, 3, 2, 1. All of you. Let us try different way. All of you guys can observe here. All of you guys can observe here, right? All of you. Right. So the same one, the same one. Let us try, guys. Same. See, in every program we are doing our own style of this okay analysis, right? The same we process, guys. The same we process. See, it is taking maybe half an hour for me for explaining. But if you do multiple practice, the same programs you can do just 1 or 2 minutes. That's all, guys. All of you. If you have this all practice, then this type of programs you can do just 1 or 2 minutes only, not more than that one. For me taking the more time because I'm explaining multiple times, that's why. So someone may say that, sir, each program taking the half an hour, sir, like that. Okay, don't think like that, guys. I'm explaining different ways, right? I am taking the this which one, the diagram and debugging multiple times to make all easy understanding. It may take that time, but time is not important while learning, right? So fine, guys, here also we do same thing. What same thing here? First I values. I'll take the first I values here. Right. So I take the first I value 1, then I value 2, then I value 3, then I value 4, then I value 5. I value 5. Okay. I value 5, guys. That's fine. That's fine. Now I change it. Right. Then again same. So when I value 1, just 1 displaying. When I value 2, just 2 1 displaying. When I value 3, 3 to 1 displaying. When I value 4, 4 3 to 1 displaying. When I value 5, 5 4 3 to 1 display. Okay, this is what we are printing, right? And and here all of you. So let's see about J. And guys, tell me now, guys, tell me here, in this case, do you require the third loop or not, guys, here? Do you require third loop or not? Do you require the third loop or not? I take the J value 1. Means, so J value 1 means one time J iterating. That is meaning all of you. One time J iterating. When I value 1, when I value 1, J iterating one time only. When I value 2, when I value 2, J iterating, okay, one time and 2 times, 2 times all of you, 2 times, okay. So here 1, 2 means number of iterations. Don't think sir, I want to print 2. Why taking the 1s are here? You're printing 1. Why taking the 2s are means I'm not comparing the values what to print. This 1, 2, 1 means number of iterations. Okay, and here also same. This is what when I value 0, when I value 1. Sorry guys, this is J, right? When J value 1, then when J value 2, when J value 2, then J value 3. Okay, J value, that's all. Next one, when J value 1, then when J value 2, then when J value 3, and here J value what? Here J value 4. So 4 times iterating, guys. Iterating how many times? 4 times, okay? 4 times iterating, that's all. Right. Next, when J value 1, next, when J2, and then J3, and then J4, and then this is what J5, that's all. Right. All of you here, when I value 1, J iterating one time, that one displaying. When I value 2, okay, 2 1 displaying, okay, 2 1, not 1 2. 2 1, 3 to 1 means starting value bigger value, ending value small value, guys. Observe all of you. In all previous cases, the range starting 1, ending are taking the n plus 1, n plus minus 1, something like different. But now ending value bigger value in each loop, starting bigger, ending small value. Each loop, starting bigger value is there, ending a small value is there. That is 1. Okay, right. Let us try now. Let us try all of you. The same again. So first I, then and then J. Okay. I J. What first time I value here? When I value 1, then J. How many times? So 1, 2. 2 times running. All of you. Then when I value 2, when I value 1, J only one time, right? J only one time, guys. When I value 2, then J how many times? 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2. When I value 3, then J how many times? 1 2 3, 1 2 3. When I value 4, then J how many times again? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. When I value 5, then J how many times iterating now? So 1 2 3 4 5, that's all of you. These are not what to display, these are number of iterations. Okay, you may think that sorry, here I want to display reverse 2 1 3 to 1, but are giving the ascending orders are means just the iterating number, guys, iterating number, not the printing number. Okay, so what we do while printing, we take the reverse, we take the reverse of exist numbers 2 1 3 to 1 4 3 to 1 and 5 4 3, we take the reverse. Okay, very simple, right? We'll take the reverse case, guys, that one. Now, right, what's pattern 11, right? You guys tell me now. You guys tell me here. Just to guess now. Just to think about this one, guys. Okay. So we'll take what pattern 11. Then same input of enter n number of rows. N number of rows. Okay. Then we'll take the eval. We'll take the eval. Then n equal to that's all. So for is common, right? For loop is common, starting 1, then n plus 1, guys. Then what about the j? For j in range of, okay. All of you guys guess now. What is the j loop? What is the j loop? All of you guess now. All of you guys, okay. So j bigger value, right? Bigger means what here? Current I value, okay. Current I value, guys. Current I value. See here in the second, when I value 2, starting what now? 2 1 is there. When I value 3, starting what 3 is there. When I value 4, starting what 4 is there. Means so the starting value what I. All of okay. I. Then ending what here? Ending what? Always ending what is there? always ending 1 1 1 1 1 1 1. If you want 1, we take the 0, right? All of you. So I told you in all examples, if ending value 5, it takes a 5 before value. If ending value 10, it takes 10 before value. If ending value 0, it takes a 0 before value. That is 1 always fixed. All of, okay? So if you take any value, it consider before that value. Before that value. Okay. Now, all of you observe here. For starting first, okay, let me write here, guys. Let me write here. Let me write here. Very good. What is the I value first time 1? Then J, what is the J here? What is the J? So starting 1, ending 0. Starting 1, ending 0, 1 to 0. Is it ascending or descending? All of you means number increasing or decreasing? 1 to 0. Next 2 to 0. Next 3 to 0. Next 4 to 0. Next 5 to 0. All of you, I will increasing, right? Okay. So means these are numbers increasing or decreasing? All of you guys, you reply here. You reply. So a small change with the previous example, this one. It has a small change compared to previous examples because number coming in the reverse order, right? Okay. Tell me guys now. All of you. So here numbers increasing or decreasing? 1 to 0, next 2 to 0, next 3 to 0, next 4 to 0, then 5 to 0. Increase or decrease? Decreasing. Then the step size, we should take the -1. In all previous examples, I did not take the step size because by default step size is 1, guys. If you don't specify any step size, the default is the 1. But in this case, decreasing, right? We should take the -1. We should take the -1 because, so see, 2 1 1 value decreasing, 3 2 1 value decreasing, 2 1 1 value decreasing, 4 to 3 1 decreasing, 3 to 2 1 decreasing, 2 to 1 1 decreasing, like that. Okay. So in this case, what's first time I value 1? Okay, 1, guys. Starting with how much here? 1 1 to 0. But starting already 1 is there. That 1 comes automatically first. That 1 comes automatically. Starting value, guys. Starting value comes automatically. Next, when I value 2, when I value 2, so 2 to 0, 2 to 0, 0 before how much? 1. So 2 to 1, 2 to 1, 2 to 1 means 2 1 will come, guys. Okay. So 2 1, 2 to 1 means 2 1, all of you. Next, when I value 3, when I value 3, so 3 to 0, 0 before 1. So 3 to 1 means 3 to 1, 3 to 1. All of you guys, are you following me? 3 to 1, like this. Next, when I value 4, when I value 4, 4 to 0, 4 to 0, 0 means 0 before how much is there now? 1 is there. In this sequence, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. 0 before how much? 1 is there. 4 to 1. 4 to 1 means it displays what here? 4, 3, 2, 1. 4 to 1 displaying. Next, when I value is 5, when I value is 5, then all of you observe now, when I value is 5, tell me now. When I value is 5, so which one now? 5 coming here. So 5 to 0, 0 before 1, 5 to 1 means 5 to 1 display, okay? 0 before 1 now. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, that's all. All of you guys observe here. Right. Right. All of observe now. So first 1, 1. When I value 2, 2 1. When I value 3, 3 to 1. When I value 4, 4 to 1, 4 to 1. When I value 5, 5 to 1. Now what to display now? J display, right? First time 1 display, next time 2, 1 display, next 3 to 1 display. So what we print here? We print what here? We print the J, comma, end is what here? End is the space. Then we'll take the empty printer. That's all. So all of you, I told you already, this is not what to print. All of you, here I wrote here This is the iterations. When I value 1, j one time iterating. When I value 2, j two times iterating. These are the iterations, guys. Don't confuse us. Sir, why wrote here 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't confuse us. There are number of iterations I wrote there. Okay. And this is the which one actual this okay program analyzing, guys, here. Then I run this one. I am giving the 5. I am giving the 5. Yes, 5, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's all. Give any number. Give any number. Let's take suppose 10. Same will come 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, like that. All of you guys, all of you, let me know. Is everybody clear this one? If you want the same, guys, when I value 1, printing what 1, guys, j1, that's all. When I value 1, printing what here 1 printing. When I value 2, printing what 2 space 1 space. When I value 3, printing what 3 space 2 space 1 space. When I value 4, printing what 4 space 3 space 2 space 1 space. When I value 5, printing 5 space 4 space 3 2 space and then 1 space, like this. Same, guys. If you understand these steps, then making program easy. At the same time, output also you can analyze very easily. So the heart of the program is which one, guys? This one, like this understanding, plus which one, guys? Here iteration understanding, and this is the final debugging here. All of you guys, let me know. Is everybody clear? Is everybody clear? All of you? Okay. Right. So fine, guys. We stop it. Okay, we stop it now, and tomorrow.